A brand new skin booster product at our clinic. It helps your skin looks younger, smoother, and more radiant. Hi everyone, welcome back to our 医美时间 Beauty Time. Today I want to introduce everyone a brand new skin booster product at our clinic, Jalupro. We have Jalupro Classic, HMW, Young Eye, and Jalupro Super Hydro. They are all dermal biorevitalizer, an injectable treatment that uses a mixture of amino acids and hyaluronic acid. The free hyaluronic acid restores hydration, stimulates migration and activity of fibroblasts, whereas the amino acid is the building blocks of new collagen. It increases multiplication of fibroblasts and production of new collagen fibers, hence contribute to restore skin structure, elasticity, and youthfulness, which means it helps your skin looks younger, smoother, and more radiant. Think of it like a supercharged serum pack with hyaluronic acid and amino acid that plumps your skin and makes fine lines and wrinkles disappear. For younger patients, I would recommend Jalupro Classic or HMW for pores, scars, and fine lines. Patients that need connective tissue biorestoration or those with severe dehydration and tired skin, I would recommend to go for Jalupro Super Hydro. Jalupro Super Hydro is generally for a more mature skin, helping in firming and lifting. Try on Jalupro Young Eye for your dark circles and wrinkles around the eyes. You can use Jalupro around the face, under eye, neck, décolletage, and hands. After a month, the skin feels smoother, softer, tighter, and plumper. It is recommended to repeat treatments for 3 times to fully stimulate the collagen and elastin production for optimal results. Most importantly, Jalupro is safe, effective, and suitable for all skin types. So, that's all about Jalupro. Feel free to drop us a DM or leave a comment below if you would like to know more about this treatment. Bye everyone, see you in our next video.